Well guys, this is a short video so that you can preview my channel and what is that I do at Yachting Hub Miami. I've been doing this for a little while, so I have a little experience. So if you like yachts, boats and powerboats, then subscribe to the channel. Also, if you can, ring the notification bell so you'll be informed of all my upcoming videos. I post regularly and I do videos from all over Miami. So once again, thanks for watching and I hope you subscribe. Take care.